Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Nginx on a DigitalOcean Droplet step by step. To update Nginx on your DigitalOcean Droplet, begin by connecting to your server via SSH. Open your terminal or command prompt and type in the following command: ssh root at your _droplet_IP. Replace your _droplet_IP with the actual IP address of your droplet. Once connected, update your package list by typing sudo apt update. This command ensures you have the latest information on available software updates. Next, verify your current Nginx version with Nginx v. It's important to know what version you are currently running. To upgrade Nginx, type sudo apt upgrade Nginx. This command will upgrade Nginx along with other outdated packages. You may be prompted to confirm the upgrade process. Simply type Y and press enter to proceed. After the upgrade is complete, check if Nginx is still running. Use the command system.status Nginx. If Nginx is not active, start it again using sudo system.start Nginx. To ensure Nginx starts on boot, type sudo system.enable Nginx. Finally, verify the new version of Nginx by typing Nginx v once more. This confirms that the update was successful. You can also check your website in a browser to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, consult the Nginx error log for troubleshooting. Your Nginx installation on DigitalOcean is now updated and ready to serve requests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.